Hello everyone, welcome to Casciano Easy Math. We have here a given exponential equation. E to the power 2x plus 10 is equal to 7 times e to the power of x. And in this video, we're going to solve for all the values of x. And before we start, for those new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. And now let's start solving. E to the power of 2x plus 10 equals 7 times e to the power of x. Collecting like terms, put this term to the left side of the equation. So the equation now becomes e to the power of 2x minus 7 times e to the power of x plus 10 equals 0. Rewriting the exponent. This is now x times 2. And the rest of the equation remains the same. 7 times e to the power of x plus 10 equals 0. From here, we're introducing another variable to represent the value of e to the power of x. So let's define, let's say u stands for the value of e to the power of x. Substitute this value to this equation. So the equation now becomes u squared minus 7 times u plus 10 is equal to 0. So now this becomes a quadratic equation. We're now solving for the value of u. We're using factoring. So what are the factors of 10 that will add up to negative 7? So that will be 5 and 2, right? So we put 5 here and 2 there, and put u here and another u on there. Since we're adding these two numbers added to negative 7, their sign must be negative. Factors of positive 10 is negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. Left side, left factor, u minus 5, equating this to 0. The other side, u minus 2, equate it to 0 as well. Finding the value of u on this side is equal to 5, and u on the right side is equal to 2. Since variable u is a substituted variable, we can recall that the value of u is e to the power of x. So from here, e to the power of x is u, and here it's equal to 5. E to the x is equal to 5. The right hand side, e to the power of x is equals to u, and u here is 2. Taking the natural logarithm on both sides of this equation to find the value of x. So this is now natural logarithm e to the power of x is equal to natural logarithm of 5. Taking down x as a coefficient. So x times natural logarithm of e is equals to natural logarithm of 5. And here natural logarithm of e is 1. So x is equal to natural logarithm of 5. And the other value of x, taking the natural logarithm of both sides of the equation, natural logarithm of e to the power of x is equal to natural logarithm of 2. The same way, putting down x as coefficient, so x times natural logarithm of e is equal to natural logarithm of 2. Once again, natural logarithm of e is 1, so x is equal to natural logarithm of 2. So we have two values of x, natural logarithm of 5 and natural logarithm of 2. And from here, we can take the approximate value of x. Natural logarithm of 5 is approximately 1.6094. And in here, the other value of x, natural logarithm of 2, is approximately equal to 0.6931. Now we have to check our answers. So substitute this value to the original equation. And so now we're checking our answer, and we have here original equation. And the value of x, the first value, and the value of e, Euler's number over here. So substituting these values to this original equation, we have now 2.7182 to the power of 2 times x, 1.6094. Plus 10, and is this equal to 7 times 2.7182 to the power of 1.6094. So here the left side now equals 34.99. And is this equal to the right hand side, 7 times the base 2.7182 to the power of 1.6094. Right hand side is equal to 34.99. So it's the same. So this just confirms the first value of x is correct. So now let's go to the second value of x. So we have here the second value. X is approximately equal to 0.6931. Then substitute this value to the original equation. So we have here now the original equation, and we have the value of e and the value of x over here. We have the value of e, that is 2.7182 to the power of 2 times 0.6931 plus 10, and is this equal to 7 times e is 2.7182 to the power of x, that is 0.6931. And in here, solving the left hand side, this is now 13.99, and is this equal to the right hand side? So that value of the right hand side is 13.99. So they're both the same. So this once again confirms the second value of x is correct. So we have here now the value of x. First value is equal to 1.6094. That is natural logarithm of 5. And the second value is equal to 0.6931, and this is natural logarithm of 2. So these are the values of x. Final answer. And so that's all for now. And for those new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Or you may try visiting my channel and check out my playlist, Solving Exponential Equations, for more videos. Alright, have a great day everyone. See you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.